Well, folks, practice went pretty well. So we're going to jump right into tournament day, which is now tomorrow. It's a few hours after I got off the water, so we're going to get the boat cleaned out, get some stuff rigged up, and probably just do a big time lapse of all that. So yeah, we may talk a little bit, you know, throughout the time lapse, but for the most part I'll catch you right after. So yeah, we're gonna get started, and 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, let's see if I can do this without getting burnt. But yeah, this combo right here. I got some gulp 3-inch little smelt minnows. And I think that's going to be a big key tomorrow. I caught some during the pre-fishing on a fluke, or I had a couple bites and had a big one try to go after a fluke. I did not get that fish hooked, so tomorrow the goal is to run a little circle hook or a little octopus hook, nose hooking one of these little 3-inch minnows, and I think that may help me get a couple more bites or hookups. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, hopefully the time lapse went pretty well. Maybe it's not just all me crouched over doing nothing, but it's seriously hot out here. I'm just lucky there's a little bit of a breeze, but still got a few more things to do. But I think for now I'm gonna call it, and I guess we will probably see you in the morning. So yeah, y'all be good, be blessed. We'll see you. Big bass and entropy, right? 30 and then 10.
Yep.
Cool. You got 1,000 7-inch fish. What do you got? Okay.
That's a.
Well, I'm gonna blast them on YouTube.
He has his own YouTube channel.
So, yeah. Hey, buddy, you can get some free advertisement. They look good too. Got them all. Well, no, you got one pre-rigged with an O-ring, 2 pre-rigged. I like the flake. And I prefer the more straight natural colors. You see a bunch of people with all the little blues and the little. I like them just straight like that. Or the little.
Some of them airs new. The guy I get them from just now put them in the store.
Heck yeah.
But I help him sometimes on colors.
I like that. Yeah, I know we can catch some over there. We can catch them down through here. These fish. 7 o'clock. Yeah, we'll get there by 7. That's a different plate.
Oh.
Well, folks, it is a tournament morning. We are right off our spot, so we're going to ease off in here and just really hopefully catch a limit. Found a few good fish yesterday, so all we can do is hope they're still there. There's a bass boat on our dummy. Being dumb this morning, but there's a bass boat on our spot, so we're going to just ease in and come behind them. But yeah, we're going to get after it, get you on the chest cam, and we will see you in a minute. Here they are. There's going to be the magic for today. Little Berkley gulp on a 1/8 ounce jig head. All we can do is hopefully go catch them now. The fact that they're in the pads means this little cove should be ours pretty easily. I can see fish busted. So yeah, I think it should be fine. I don't think we should be impeding on them. Oh, yeah, they're in here. They're still in here. I want my first fish. First cast, first fish. Oh, yeah. First cast. Let's get to it. All right. That's gonna be all right. We gonna make that. Yeah. Oh. Okay. First fish in the boat.
Alright. Nothing too special.
No.
But
There's no creel limit size, so that's our number one. And yeah. Tyler, we even get to use the fancy cull tags. Number one.
makes me feel better.
Yeah. All right. I feel better now.
I want to hit the water.
There you go. Look at that. Number one. We gotta get rid of him.
Yeah.
Can't have him at the end of the day.
Yeah.
You got another one? Oh my goodness. Hold him down. Hold him down. Tyler's got a good one. I mean, he ain't the biggest in the world, but
There we go.
a little better fish.
Wacky worm.
Okay.
Two for me.
I'm cool with that all day long. You catch as many as you want to, buddy. I will do all the work. You get back out there.
Yeah. Sure you don't want to green something, thinking?
Nah, I don't want no devil stuff.
It works.
Yeah, I may have to eventually, but. All right, number two.
What are the other ones I have there?
All right. We're gonna stay over in that little pocket. They're starting to blow. They keep blowing up on bait every once in a while. So they're still back here. Just gotta find them. I didn't get a good hook set, get the net. Pretty good one. Good one, good one. And I did not get a good hook set. This is that 3-pounder I lost yesterday. This side.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. That ain't 3.
That's probably about 1.5 pounds.
That's 1.5 pounds. Gamakatsu.
Ooh, he's feisty.
I don't know if that's the one I lost yesterday, but I mean, I wouldn't doubt it. That's it. We need 3. We need 2 more of those. 2 more of those. We got it. I gotta retie.
Where'd you catch him at? Where you almost got the other one?
Yeah, right there. All right. Well, that may have been that big one I lost yesterday. But yeah,
That's probably about a good pound.
I don't think we'll get rid of him today, to be honest.
I ain't never seen them.
Hey, where you at, number 3?
Trace. We got the limit.
That's it. That is our limit fish, number 3. 1 and 2 got to go back. We literally talked in size every time. So
Yeah.
we'll start with 1. That is what we needed. Like I said, that's not a big fish, maybe 1.5 pounds, but that's what we needed. So y'all be good. I'm about to change batteries. I broke you off with that. I'm sorry, bro. You good?
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to. That was at the wacky rig?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
I think so. I hope that crankbait come through there. And I found a low. Oh, nope. Broke. No, I found a low and just broke off that chatterbait. Let's go pull up and go see if we can find our offshore spot. There's frog here. That a fish? Yeah.
Oh goodness.
Okay. He may go. He'll beat that first one you got.
Yeah.
There we go. Offshore fish at Whiteville, dude. He's not a big one.
Yeah. I put the smaller ones on this side.
Yeah. Well, this one will cull.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about, the real small one.
Yeah.
Want me to throw that real small one out there?
No. All right. Let's see if he's.
He's twice the size of him.
Yeah.
Maybe I did throw it. I guess I should have brought that crankbait I brought.
I got some more. I don't got no more crawl filler. There, buddy.
Offshore fish at Whiteville.
Offshore fish at Whiteville.
He looked big in the water.
Yep. I knew better than to flip him, but I did anyway. Got him in the boat.
Yeah.
All right. There we go. Pretty decent little call. All right. So next time, come right in after that crappie fishing. That is cool. I caught an offshore fish at Whiteville. Yeah, that's possible. Dang. I hope you hook fish that good. Well, I got a boat. So I got a boat. But a lot of these people fish with minnows, so. There we go. Good one too. Net. Coming around. I mean, he ain't super big, but he's bigger. He's a coal. Right here. Right here. Right,
Got him. Earned it.
I think that's a coal.
First cast.
Gotta make him adjustments.
Yeah.
I told you, these guys always fish with these minnows over here.
Well, when you said it.
Hit it as soon as it hit. Yeah. Hit it as soon as it hit the water. Did we cut? Well, actually, I got a thing for that. See if that was a coal or not. 2 versus 5.
I'm gonna hit the water.
Yep, I need to get us up off this. But let's see. No coal. Well, folks, a little midday update. I think we got a little over an hour left in the tournament. Been talking around to a few folks in the tournament. Everybody seems to be doing pretty rough. So we may actually have a chance at winning this thing. Maybe they're all lying. Maybe they've all got 10 pounders. Who knows? But me and Tyler's happy with the day we've had. We're going to run back to the first spot that we started at and see if we can't catch 1 or 2 more big fish out of there, because that's where our big fish come from. But we're going to start there, or we're going to end there and see what we can do. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. We'll catch you back on the chest cam.
Kind of like you did a while ago when you put me out there.
Yeah. Just getting me back, I reckon. No, you ain't. Huh? Shoot, no. Bass fisherman wouldn't tell no lies.
What about y'all?
I know you got at least one. Huh?
We just thought he'd catch
I know you got at least one.
I heard that's a good one. That's a good one.
There he is. Biggin. Golly. Get the net, get the net. Oh, he barely jumped.
Is it a big one?
No. Go, go. Oh,
That's a cool fish.
that's it. Woo! Y'all get ready for this.
It's a
Woo!
grass half fish. What that hook you?
Ah!
Did that hook you?
I don't know where your bait is. Oh, no, it's in there.
Looked like it was a good one. Maybe it's a cool fish.
He might be. I don't know. I just wanted to get their hopes up. They're, you know.
Yeah.
I think we're on number 6. We'll just throw them in the box. We'll sort them out later. There we go. Where are you at? So where are you at?
I don't know what to think of. We're going on.
Oh, you're on the trolling motor.
How?
Your line floated.
I casted it out there.
Appreciate it. Oh, cool. Yeah, I think that's a better fish. Not big, but better. No, I don't even think he helps. Yeah, I'm gonna throw that one back. Last hour bite window.
Yeah, I need to change.
Oh, that's a cool one. Flip him, flip, flip. Get him over the boat, buddy. I don't know. That one I'm gonna have to put a beam on. I had about, nah, 2 still got him. We're gonna throw them all in the boat. We'll get down to the nitty gritty when we need it. We get up there. Oh. No cold, but hey, morale booster.
Like 3 hours.
Yeah, that's how I went. You didn't just see what happened, did you? Hit it at the boat, slammed right up under me.
Really?
Wow. Oh, video got that. Made it cast out here, hit it at the boat, went running under, and broke me. Right there. Like,
Cranked the motor up a while ago. Something jumped at it. I heard it splash. I looked around.
I don't know if I may have caught my trolling motor. I'll have to look at my footage and see if it was close enough to that motor. If not, and that may have been what he done. He may have hit it and run me straight in my motor. All right, where's my Crocs at? I guess I'm ready to drop mine in there. So here's my big fish. Do I need to? I'm gonna do my big fish first, and then get in there. There's my big fish. I don't know if it really mattered, but
One pound.
1 pound, 2 ounces.
My scale's on.
Lunker.
And,
Next time we got to do it at the Lake O'Neill and Brownsville.
yeah, we need to go to Brownsville, do a good tournament. Come on now.
I thought about this fall getting everybody to do one at the Hatchie.
Yeah, that'd be a fun
I'd
tournament.
love to do it. I'd love to do a Hatch River run.
All right, there you go.
Matthew, you missed
Way
the
to keep
5
people
pounder.
honest,
Yeah, I lost 5 earlier in the year.
It was
way
a
to
spot.
keep people honest on that is to have only 3 boat ramps they can go to. That way
10,
you're not
that'd be
congested in one
3,
boat ramp.
what would that be?
2,
10.
410, so 214.
214.
It's
Oh,
close.
you got it for now.
Well, see, that's it.
Here, we're gonna get our pictures. Take it. All right, there we go. Swim on off, buddy.
Whew. Well, folks, it's actually probably right at, oh, hi puppies. There's my puppies, Ellie Mae and Lacey. So, but yeah, it's been probably, I don't know, a week or so after the tournament. I'm finally getting to edit the video and realized I never did a proper outro. We won. We won with 2 pound 14 ounces for 3 fish. Second place had like 2 pound 10 ounces. But hey, we won. The weighing in was a little funky, but I don't think there was any doubt that we had it. We had big fish at 1 pound 2 ounces. I mean, that lake's not the greatest well known for big fish, but it, you know, it's still enough to win. So hey, the first tournament in the bass boat is a win. So I'm tickled. They raised over $540 for the family. And I think they've already started doing a couple more ideas for tournaments. So hopefully we can get on a few more this year, and hopefully we can win them all. So yeah, I'm tickled as I can be, and I hope y'all enjoyed. This was a really fun one to make, and hopefully next time we'll have another W. So y'all be good, be blessed, and bye.